Hey everybody, it's Fiction Crypto back at it again with another video. And today we are going to go over Xrdoge and what's been going on in the project, some of the updates, the new exchange listings possibly, and some things that they are just doing this better than other coins in their communities. So, and that's my opinion. And this is not financial advice by any means. Also today we're going to be going over the chart on SOLOGENIC, and we will do a live chart markup and show you how to easily navigate through the SOLOGENIC decks to use their chart easier. Kind of figured out a little finesse way. So you see, Tommy on XRP has been tweeting at Elon Musk trying to get his attention for Xrdoge because Xrdoge is faster, is more efficient, is way better for the environment than all these other blockchains. And I want to thank Tommy on XRP for commenting up under my videos. It's really cool just to see how this community is. And once you like put out some content, how many people can just connect with you around the world. It's been a really cool experience, you know, doing this YouTube thing. So thank you, Tommy on XRP, for liking and sharing some of my stuff. And you can see that he's been tweeting like crazy. Just let's retweet this stuff. Let's give him some likes and retweets just because you see we've been doing these memes. Xrdoge community has just been constantly growing. Had a meme contest. We got an Xrdoge song now. I will attach that in a link in the description. I don't want to play it so I don't get like a copyright strike or anything. But let's go to Xrdoge's page. Let me scroll up and you see all these memes being created. Back to the Future. Look at this stuff. It's just really, really crazy. And you can go to their followers. As you see in my video, I posted a couple days ago about Xrdoge when it was at 0.0004. When I told everybody to buy it because it's at like literally the last point before a breakout. You can see that they've been gaining followers, over 2,000 followers since that video. And since I refreshed my page, they got another 100 followers. So this is really, really, really crazy. See more Twitter stuff. So for Whitebit, Xrdoge will soon be listed on the Whitebit exchange, and we can go to their website. They have a really good website and decentralized exchange and also phone app that you can access. They have smart staking on there. They have some really good services. They provide anti-money laundering services and token listing services. You can trade over 35,000 coins on this, or 35,000 pairs, excuse me, on this exchange. And you just see that it's just looking really, really good. You know, kind of reminds me of Bitrue and a mix of KuCoin, kind of, but it looks like a really good exchange. So that's very good. We're getting listed on other exchanges. So that just means more liquidity, more money, more people can access Xrdoge from different areas of the world because not everybody knows about, you know, the XRP Ledger. So that's very, very good. Also, Swift is a blockchain that I just actually kind of heard about through the Xrdoge community. So thank you, Xrdoge community, for letting us get new information because this is like life-changing information. Swift is a blockchain that is proud to announce a partnership with Xrdoge. Soon, Xrdoge will be available on the SWFT blockchain for swaps, payments, and you can share it with everyone using the SWFT red packets. So I want to get into this blockchain a little bit. I really haven't did too much research on it, but I've already downloaded the app and I kind of just figured out what was going on. So this is their website and we'll start from the top. Very, very good website. See, they have the mobile app. They have 3 different products that they offer, which is the Swift all-chain swap and the Swift web swap. So I will do a separate video on this, like breaking this down as far as what is the Swift blockchain. And you can see they've been listed and featured on Yahoo Finance, Benzinga, Cointelegraph, Money Times, and Crypto Daily. It says they have the largest selection of currencies. They support over 300 cryptocurrencies because this is a cross-chain blockchain. So they support over 300 cryptocurrencies across Ethereum, Binance Chain, Heco, Polygon, Polkadot, OKX Chain, Tron, and they are adding more. So in the up and coming development stages, more chains will be able to be integrated and crossed over. So they offer over 35,000 direct trading cross-chain pairs. It's the fastest growing selection of cryptocurrencies, multiple blockchains and layer 2 networks, 24/7 dedicated support, trusted wallets. You see, very secure, connected to over 30 centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges. What they try to do is find the most efficient trading route and the most efficient prices across a different set of exchanges, so everybody can get the best prices for crypto. So this is another exchange and blockchain, kind of like the Ledger in a sense. They have their own decentralized exchange on their blockchain. So I think we're going to see that trend more with new blockchains developing, making their own decentralized exchange. So you see this, they have an app, very, very nice. You can get on the iOS store and the Android Play Store. That's what it's called. And you can see, look at all of these partners: Ledger, Polkadot, OKExchange, Polygon. Look at all these. OpenSea, that's major bullish. Math Wallet. You see, I got Math Wallet right there. Phantom, Solana. I got my Solana wallet. Like Ledger again. You just see what's going on. This is a Phantom. It's crazy. So let's go ahead and look at. Oh, I already have my chart marked up. So we can actually start with a clean chart. I'll do this pretty quickly. So you see that I start from a fresh chart. What I like to do is take this volume off because I really don't trade with indicators. And if you have a mouse, if you have the little option to scroll with the middle little ball between the clicks on your mouse, what you want to do is scroll and you want to zoom all the way in. So you go like this. And then you want to come over to the side and scrunch this down and scroll out some more. And what I'm on is a daily chart. And what I'm going to do is draw just support lines and resistance lines where price bounced off. And I had a really good chart markup in my last video, but it's pretty simple for me to mark up my chart where I see where price is going. And this was my order block area right here on my last video. And you're going to see, draw another trend line. You're going to see it. When I break this down to my hourly chart or my 3-hour chart, you're going to see exactly how my chart plays out. So we can zoom out of this. And what this does for me is create a channel for like consolidating trades. I really don't trade with like a bunch of indicators because I trade off of price action. You kind of can really see what's going on once you develop an eye for it. So as you can see in this area, this was our last breakout before we made this major run. This was a over 4,000% run. It's crazy. And you see the price has kind of dumped since then, but this is normal price action. You can't expect the asset to go up 4,000% and nobody take their money off the table. It's got people with millions of dollars just, 4,000%, so, that's a lot of profit if you was in this type of trade. So as you can see, we have our downtrends, and I'm going to actually, let me delete this line, fix my trend line a little bit better. As you can see, we were trending down. So we use this trend line, boom. Came down into this area, which this area right here, these two lines are my order block. You see, this is where the institutions and a lot of people were taking their orders. This is where it was either going to break or fall. So you see, boom. And now, guess what? We came back down to that same order block. And guess what happened? You see the buy orders were in again right here, came down to pick up the ones that they left off the table, and boom, you see bullish price action. I like to mark these charts up, but none of this stuff is for certain. It's just what I see in the market. And I can write a horizontal ray right here. And what we call this, I'll change this, is a break of structure. So it was trending down for a week or two because people were taking profits, a lot of FUD, a lot of bad news was going on for no reason. No reason at all. It was crazy. They're making a decentralized exchange. I don't understand why the price was just dumping and people were just talking bad. But as you see, we came down back to that order block, and we are breaking this downward structure, which was this area right here. This was the end of the downward structure, and we gained support on top of that. And as you can see, this pattern printing out right here is a pin bar type pattern. And once you get these patterns at the bottom of like a retracement, it's usually for bullish sentiment, but we never know. I think we can see a price dip back down to right here and close out. But I see bullish sentiment in the Xrdoge market. And that's just not me being like a fan of the coin. That's just me giving a real analysis of what I see. So once again, I'll give a downtrend scenario. You can also see another test of this area on the bad side of this. So I don't think we are going to see that, but I just like to throw out the possibilities of the upside and the downside. And where I think we can go from this move, in the realistic, like short term, I just want to break above this barrier right here. I want to break above this barrier and smack one of these zeros off of Xrdoge. And then when we get there, we'll be able to come back and see what the chart is going to do. So until then, I'm going to leave my chart marked up like this. I'm going to try to save this chart and put it in the link in the description for anybody who wants to see it. And also, I don't think I covered this, but earlier this week, Elon Musk and the Binance CEO, CZ, got in a little heated Twitter exchange. And Elon Musk kind of pointed out the problems with the Binance chain with their liquidity problems. So a lot of people that have Dogecoin are not allowed to withdraw funds, do a lot of stuff, especially when the market is dumping or pumping. So what it's doing, Binance is shutting down on people like Coinbase does, which is, I don't understand how these exchanges are regulated, because Binance is now regulated, is with Coinbase being regulated as well. And they're allowing these exchanges to just shut down on a retail investor, So Elon Musk kind of do a little jab at CZ and said he was doing shady business. And that's the reason I believe so much in Xrdoge, because it's on the XRP Ledger. And what the XRP Ledger provides is on-demand liquidity. So we are able to get our money instantly. We are able to get our money instantly. And we don't have to worry about our money not being here on the ledger. I've never had a problem withdrawing money, sending money, transaction failing on the ledgers yet. So this is why I'm kind of confused about Vagabond and why they have a token issue on the Binance Smart Chain. And I don't know if I'm pretty sure that these people are smart, that they know the Binance Smart Chain has liquidity problems. They don't have all the money there like they say they do, but the XRP Ledger is built on top of this protocol. So Xrdoge is literally going to explode once Elon Musk sees this thing. You're going 28,000 subscribers and followers. It's going to go to 100K, 200K followers. Man, Xrdoge is the hidden gem that we've been looking for. And I want to wrap this video up. I want to shout out everybody who I've met on Twitter recently. It's been a lot of people. I actually just met these people. I'm sorry, but it's been a great experience. 2Code, this dude right here. It's a lot of people that's really great people in the XRP community. The bill collector, shout out to him. I was able to speak to the Bearable Bull the other day. That was it was crazy. It was so crazy. So this community is really blessing me. I want to give back. I do have a 100K Xrdoge giveaway plan. I have to change the details of it because I want to actually give back more than that. So those details will be coming up new and revised very soon. This is Fiction Crypto. I'm out of here. Peace.